Square ABCD is transformed by combined transformation, reflection in the line x equals minus 1, followed by rotation. Under the combined transformation, two vertices of the square A, B, C, and D are invariant. And we need to describe fully one possible rotation. Firstly, this term invariant here. So if two of the vertices of the square ABCD are invariant, that means 2 out of the 4 vertices here stay in the exact same position. Okay, so we're now going to start with the reflections. We've got reflection in the line x equals minus 1. Imagine this is a mirror. So this point is 1, 2 here. So it's going to be 1, 2 here. So we're going to have the point A here. And B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 this side. Same with D. It's going to be 1, 2. So 1, 2 this side. And C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 this side. So what we've got here is our reflected square. We need to figure out what rotation we could do to mean that 2 of these vertices end up in their original place over here. So I've got my tracing paper here. And if we've traced around the shape here, and if we put our pencil on the point minus 1, 0, so we're rotating around this point. And I'm also going to put a little bit of a mark on the tracing paper here. And you'll see why in a minute. So if you then rotated around, you would end up in this position here. If we have a look, we can see that we've got B in the same place and D in the same place. That's perfect, because that's what we needed. We need 2 vertices that were invariant. And if we refer to this point here, we can see how much we rotated. And we rotated from it pointing this way to pointing this way up here. So that is 90 degrees around. So that's perfect. We've got all the information we need. So we need to describe the rotation. So it's a rotation, and there are 3 bits of information we need. It's a rotation about a point. So the point that we put our pencil and rotated about was minus 1, 0. The second bit of information is how much we rotated. So that's why we had a little mark there, and we saw that we rotated 90 degrees. And the last bit of information is the direction. So did we rotate around this way or this way? Well, we rotated around this way, which is clockwise. So it's a rotation about minus 1, 0, 90 degrees clockwise. And we get 2 marks for the rotation, giving all the relevant bits of information.